VoiceOver is the recording of your scripts that your project is based on. Make sure that you are talking about what people are seeing inside your video. To add a voiceover to our project, simply we need to go here to the toolbar on the top, then click the microphone icon. To start recording our voiceover or our script, we need to select our microphone. Let me uncheck this one, then click on the record button, and we need to wait 3 minutes before start recording. Let's try that and explain to you exactly how we do the voiceover recording. Do you want to present your product in an attractive way? So we record our voice, and when our script or sentence finishes, we stop the recording. We can play our voiceover to listen how it sounds, clicking on the play button. Do you want to present your product in an attractive way? We can change the sound level here, or if we are not satisfied with the recording, we can delete it and try another one. Let me also show you another trick. You can check that play scribe on record, then record with the video playing at the same time. Let's try this out. Do you want to present your products in an attractive way? As you can see that when the video finishes, or when all images finishes playing, the record will stop immediately by itself. And we can do the same things. We can play our recording. Do you want to present your products in an attractive way? We can change the volume level, or we can delete it from here. And also we can add our own voiceover, which we've recorded using any kind of software, for example Audacity, or we can add our voiceover from the net. To add your voiceover from your computer, go to the import button here, then choose your voiceover which you've saved, and VideoScribe supports MP3 formats, so make sure that you saved your recording in MP3 format before you add it here. And here in the globe icon you can paste your URL, then click the check mark to add your voiceover. After you finish adding your voiceover, you need to click the check mark and show how it will play. Let's try to do that in correct way and accurate way. Do you want to present your products in an attractive way? Let me add the voiceover. Make the volume like lower, like that. Let me make it more lower, then click the check mark. Then let's play our project and see how it sounds and how it feels. Do you want to present your products in an attractive way? So that's all about VoiceOver. See you in the next video.